Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC. On a 7 days time frame chart, LRC has broken out two very big patterns and both are falling wedges. One was broken out here in the month of January 2023, and in fact when it was not broken out and the movement was quite squeezed inside this wedge, in those days I shared several videos with you that in case of breaking out this falling wedge pattern, it can start a very massive parabolic move, and that can be a quite long-term bull run, and you can see that it is turning parabolic bullish. By the way, after the breakout first, it got rejected by this long-term resistance of 50 cents and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And now recently we have also broken out this falling wedge pattern as well, and from this low to here you can see that it recovered almost 300% but got rejected once again by this long-term resistance of 50 cents, and now it is moving at this support of 25 cents. In fact, this is a complete support zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents, and previously it had been working as a resistance on here, support zone here, support and resistance on here, and support zone here, and now again it is working as a support zone. By the way, here it has been also working as a resistance zone. At the same time, you can see that LRC has already broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well, and now it is testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And in today's video we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for nulls, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case I shared this signal on 27th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target range and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of LRC, and this is a 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that previously it had been moving inside this big falling wedge pattern. And by the way, from the month of November 2021 up till the month of January 2023, it had been moving inside this wedge for a long time period, and after breaking out in the month of January 2023, the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of 50 cents that had been previously working as a support here, and here you can see it worked as a resistance, and here as a resistance, and now recently after breaking out this next falling wedge pattern and after this powerful rally, it again worked as a strong resistance. And right now you can see that LRC is testing this quite long-term support and resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. If I highlight this area, then it will be more visible for you. And you can see that previously this level had been working as a resistance on here, and after that it worked as a resistance on here, and after the breakout it flipped into a support zone. We had a bounce here, then for a while we broke it down, but again broke it out, and for several weeks, a month, it had been working as a support zone, and here it also worked as a support, here as a resistance, and now for the past several weeks, a month, it had been working as a resistance on here. And now after the breakout, the pricing got rejected by the long-term resistance of 50 cents, and now it is again testing this support zone. In fact, we have broken down the upper bands of the support zone that is at 30 cents, and now we are testing the lower bands. And at the same time, LRC is also testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that we broke out the lower bands and upper bands, both bands here in the month of March 2024, and now we have broken down the upper bands and testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And this can be also another very strong support for the price line, because previously it was working as a resistance, you can see, for several months, and now it can work as support. In fact, it is working as a nice support for the past 2 or 3 weeks. And after testing the support, there is a probability that the price may try to break out the next resistance of 50 cents once again. By the way, before reaching the 50 cents resistance, we will again need to break out this resistance of 30 cents, and after that an imminent move can be possible up to the next major resistance of 50 cents. Now if we take a look at the target for these two breakouts, then target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern that I've been telling you in my almost every video before the breakout as well was here at the top of the wedge at 50 cents, and you can see that we have already achieved that target. And now if you take a look at the final target for this bigger breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.